Ray-Ban Meta glasses just morphed into a live handyman. Point them at your jammed bike chain, coffee machine, or IKEA mess. Boom, GPT 5.5 Vision splashes neon arrows and animated hands right onto the real parts you're staring at. No manuals, no YouTube pauses. Step 1 glow screen, pieces auto highlight, screws pulse if you miss one. Blink twice and it rewinds, say next, and the overlay advances. Early testers fixed 94% of household hiccups solo in half the usual time. So next time something breaks, don't call dad. Your shades already know the fix.